have to stop all kind of sugary foods, including fruits, sugary food and fruits, and also portion size. Yeah, so some moms, it depends on people's food habits. Some people, normally, and people are designed that they would eat three big meal or two big meal and not having any small meal in between. But actually, what we suggest that you go for a very small meal and you don't, sorry, because my doorbell is ringing. Yeah. Okay. So, um, sorry, what I was saying. But yeah, so you have small portion size and frequently, so every 3 hours you have something to eat. Every 3 hours you have something to eat. Yeah. And when you do that, then your blood sugar maintain in a stable way. So yeah, as I said before, that they can have low glycemic index food, which is very highly recommended for people with gestational diabetes, any kind of diabetes.
Yeah.
And for mother, even though people or doctors or anybody, I mean, request them to have banana or mangoes or high sugary
Yeah.
fruits. I would say think twice before you have it. The reason is you are you need to understand your insulin is already compromised in the body. So the much insulin you have, it has to cover you and your baby. And on the top of that, if you are having lot of sugary food or fruits, and starch, starchy food means say pasta, say rice, which people eat a lot, or people eat breads. When you have so much high glycemic loaded food, can your body can your body produce that much insulin? Yeah, because sometimes it's not only, there are two things I have to explain. One is body is not producing enough insulin, other one is insulin is there but it's blocking, it's not working in the body.
Yeah.
Yeah, either way, you have to have food such a way that it will help you and the baby. So we are not, the other thing is you cannot do ketogenic diet during the pregnancy because you cannot just cut all that carbohydrate. The biggest thing in ketogenic diet is they stop fruits as well, and then they encourage to have high fatty food, which is okay for different types of conditions, but not with this pregnancy gestational diabetes condition. So you have to have minimum complex carbohydrate, which it could be, say, you can have fiber as food, just
Yeah.
like sweet potato. Potato is, even though it's sweet potato, but because it has got a lot of fiber in it, so its glycemic index is low.
Okay.
So it helps, yeah.
Okay.
And then you can have rice, you can have pasta, but you have to cover it with a lot of leafy vegetables,
Okay.
green vegetables.
Okay.
And then it combines, when it combines together, then the sugar intake, sugar rush in the blood goes, it goes down. And you have to maintain the blood sugar for whole day. So whole day you have to eat something. Please try to understand that your baby cannot have too much sugar and no sugar, too much sugar and no sugar in the pregnancy, in the womb. And same thing for you. It can cause preeclampsia, which is a type of shaky kind of seizure things in the body. Can't have it.
Okay.
So this is the food is very important this time, and also you can have like chia seeds, you can have corn, you can have lots of say lots of fruits like say avocado. Avocado is a good one. You
Okay.
can have say very low sugary fruits, and so there is one of the, like any kind of berries. Berries
Yep.
are good.
Okay.
So if you have fruits, then you can have, so eggs are okay, like a fish are okay, there are meats are okay, and as I said, like a lot of salad, like it has to have a lot of fiber in the diet.
All
So
right.
and also frequent food. Say instead of having three big meal, you're gonna have six meals, small portions. Every 3 hours you're having something. So then your blood sugar is not going like that. It's going in a stable way, and that's
Okay.
all you need during this gestational diabetes for you and your baby. Yeah.
Okay.
And just thinking we because I'm a nutritionist and naturopathic practitioner. So I do other things as well. So there's certain food you have this time, which is like people don't like it, but it's Kerala, which is a bitter gourd. We call it bitter gourd. And now, if I say a lot of people say we can't have bitter gourd. You can actually, it wouldn't be bitter if you don't cut it, if you just boil it or you just cook it without cut it. Yeah,
Yeah.
you wouldn't feel any bitterness in there, and you're gonna actually have it without feeling any bitterness, and you're gonna have all
Okay.
the good things. So Kerala is one of the very good one because this actually helps the sugar to put inside the cells.
All
It's
right.
very good.